Hey everyone, ready to seriously supercharge your Python workflow? We're about to unlock some amazing, time-saving secrets that are hiding right inside the standard interactive interpreter. Let's get into it. Oh man, we've all been there, right? You're deep in the zone, just trying to test a quick idea, and suddenly you're spending more time typing out these ridiculously long module names, or even worse, fixing some tiny little typo. It is so frustrating, and it just completely shatters your focus. But what if I told you there's a way to pretty much get rid of that problem for good? Well, guess what? There is a better way. And these aren't just little tricks. These are the kinds of habits that will make your interactive sessions way faster, more accurate, and, let's be honest, a whole lot more fun. It's time to level up your coding game. All right, so for our first power-up, we're going to explore the magic that's already built into the Python you use every single day. You don't have to install a single extra thing for these first couple of tips. You just have to know that they're there. You know, Python's interpreter wasn't just built in a vacuum. If you've ever used a command line shell, maybe like Bash, you've actually already used this super powerful tool called the GNU readline library. And here's the secret, Python uses that exact same library. That means you get all these awesome editing features right out of the box. And the first and maybe the most powerful piece of that magic, tab completion. This is the secret to writing code with your keyboard, but without all that painful, tedious typing. Let's actually see it in action. If you can, go ahead and open up your Python interpreter right now. First, just import the string module. Now, on the next line, type out the word string and then put a period or a dot right after it. But don't hit enter yet. Okay, you ready for the magic trick? Hit the tab key and boom. Just like that, you get a full list of every single attribute and method that's available inside that string module. No more guessing, no more jumping over to your browser to look up a name, it's all right there. And this works for way more than just modules. Start typing a variable name you've created and hit tab. Type the first few letters of a keyword like import and hit tab. It'll finish import for you. And as we just saw, it is absolutely fantastic for exploring what you can do with any object. So here's the really crucial part. This thing is smart. The interpreter is actively running your code right up to that final dot. It figures out what kind of object you're dealing with, and then it shows you what's available for that specific object. It's not just matching text. It actually understands the context of your code. This is a game changer for learning new libraries and debugging your work.
Okay, next power-up. We have all done this. You run a command and, a typo. You don't have to type the whole thing out again. This is where your command history becomes your absolute best friend.
This is called history substitution. All you have to do is use the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard. You can cycle through every command you've already entered in your session. Just find the one you need, fix that one little character you messed up, and hit enter. It's such a simple move, but it saves a shocking amount of time and frustration. And here's the best part. This history sticks around. Python automatically saves all your commands to a file. That means you can close your session, come back tomorrow, and pick up right where you left off. All your previous commands are still there, just an arrow key away. So these built-in tools are a huge, huge step up. But, as your skills grow, you're going to start wishing for just a little more power. And that's when you start to notice the limits of the standard interpreter. For instance, wouldn't it be nice if it helped you with your indentation when you're inside a function or a loop? Or what if it warned you if you forgot to close a parenthesis? And the completion is great, but it could be even smarter, right? Like if it looked directly at what's currently defined in your session. This is exactly the point where the pros turn to more advanced tools. Once you're ready to move beyond the basics, there is a whole world of enhanced interpreters just waiting for you. Think of it like this. The standard interpreter is good. It's a great starting point. But tools like IPython and ByPython, they are on a completely different level. They take all the features we just talked about and crank them up to 11 with advanced capabilities built for serious development. Let's just take a quick look at IPython. Its tab completion is amazing. It's context-aware. It'll suggest dictionary keys, even file paths. Its history management is searchable, so you can find a command you ran last week, not just 30 seconds ago. It lets you explore any object just by putting a question mark after it. Plus, it's super customizable, and it's the engine behind tools like Jupyter Notebooks. It's a real professional powerhouse. And IPython isn't your only option. You should also check out bpython. It's another fantastic choice, and it's famous for its as-you-type suggestions and automatic syntax highlighting. It's almost like having a mini IDE right in your terminal. It'll show you function signatures as you type. It's really, really cool, and another great way to make you a faster, more efficient programmer. So there you have it. From the built-in power of tab completion and history to awesome toolkits like IPython and BPython, you now have the keys to make your coding sessions so much more productive. The only question left is, which one of these tools are you going to master first?